Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best big and tall lawn chair is probably one of the most essential pieces of outdoor furniture for anyone who needs a little extra support and comfort, especially during those long summer days spent relaxing in the backyard, at a campsite, or even tailgating at a sporting event. These chairs are specifically designed to accommodate larger individuals, offering enhanced durability, wider seating areas, and robust frames that can handle greater weight capacities without compromising on stability or comfort, ensuring that everyone can find their perfect spot to unwind. Number 5. Alpha Camp Heavy Duty Camping Chair 500 pounds. Tired of chairs that can't handle your weight? This heavy-duty camping chair features a robust steel frame and reinforced bracing, supporting up to 500 pounds. Its durable, anti-rust coating ensures it will last through every season. Designed with extra-wide seating and a fully padded backrest, this chair offers unparalleled comfort. Say goodbye to feeling cramped and enjoy a relaxing experience, even for larger individuals. Keep your refreshments cool and your essentials close at hand. It comes with a built-in cooler bag, a spacious cup holder, and a convenient side pocket for your phone or snacks. Set up and pack away in seconds with its simple foldable design. It includes a durable carry bag with a shoulder strap, making it easy to take anywhere. Perfect for camping, fishing, tailgating, or simply relaxing outdoors. Made from high-grade, tear-resistant Oxford fabric, it's built to be your reliable outdoor gear for years to come. What we like. If you need a chair that can handle serious weight and keep your drinks cool, this is the one. It boasts an impressive 500 pounds capacity and comes with a built-in cooler bag. If you're a larger individual or planning a long day out with plenty of refreshments, this chair offers unparalleled support and convenience. What people say. Very sturdy. Should be great in any outdoor situation. Good storage options for cooled goods, phones or books. We bought these to use at the park, the drive-in movies, racetrack and sitting by the river. Very comfortable, easy to fold and store in the trunk. I am a big guy at 6 feet 1 inch and 270 pounds. I fit really well in this chair. It is a good height for my legs and very comfy to sit in. Number 4. FDW Zero Gravity Lawn Lounge Chairs. Experience unparalleled comfort with our zero gravity chairs. The adjustable headrest and convenient cup holder make relaxation effortless. Perfect for any outdoor setting. These chairs fold up easily for discreet storage. They are ready to use whenever you need a moment of relaxation. Find your ideal comfort level with the adjustable reclining feature. It provides just the right amount of support, holding you securely in place. Forget the hassle of assembly. These chairs arrive ready to use right out of the box. The easy-to-use locking mechanism ensures safety and stability. Enjoy peace of mind with a sturdy frame that supports up to 250 pounds. The durable, ventilated material ensures comfort year-round. Whether on the deck, beach, or in your yard, these chairs offer the ultimate lounging experience. Enjoy your favorite drinks and activities with everything within reach. What we like. Looking for a relaxing experience for two? This set offers a zero-gravity recline for ultimate comfort and comes fully assembled. If you want to easily set up and unwind with a companion on your deck or patio, this pair is an excellent choice. What people say. Very comfortable. I love the cup holder and also appreciate that the pillow is adjustable. Really comfy to sit or lie down in. I'm just under 6 feet tall. On par with the other more expensive options I've bought before, at least in first try comfort. Nice chairs. Love the cup holders. Very sturdy and very comfortable. Number 3. Overmont Oversized XL Camping Chair. Experience ultimate comfort with our extra-large camping chair, designed to support up to 400 pounds. It offers ample space for a relaxed seating experience, perfect for anyone seeking a comfortable outdoor seat. Sink into plush comfort with generous high-density cotton filling. This chair provides exceptional support and a cozy feel, ensuring you stay comfortable for hours, whether you're camping or enjoying a picnic. Crafted with reinforced stitching and an angled leg design for enhanced stability and relaxation. This durable chair is built to withstand the elements and provide lasting comfort for all your outdoor adventures. Stay refreshed with the built-in oversized cup holder and cooler bag, perfect for keeping your drinks within reach. A handy side pocket also provides easy access to your essentials. Take it anywhere your adventures lead, from your backyard to camping trips and fishing excursions. This chair combines portability with luxury, making it your go-to for comfortable outdoor seating. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty. We are committed to your satisfaction, so you can shop with confidence knowing we're here to help with any questions. What we like. For those who prioritize plush comfort, this chair is a dream. It features generous padding and a 400 pounds weight capacity, making it ideal for extended relaxation. If you're seeking a luxurious and supportive seat for camping, gardening, or just lounging in your backyard, this option delivers. What people say. It's a large chair, but my littles can climb in my lap and sit with me, or I just relax and melt into it. The quality of this chair is great. It's very comfortable. Very easy to set and take down. It's really big and sturdy. The frame feels solid and stable, and it holds my weight, and then some, with zero wobble. The fabric is thick, rugged, and doesn't sag over time. It's clearly made with quality materials that can handle real use, not just look good out of the box. This chair is loaded with smart extras, a cup holder that actually fits large drinks, a side cooler pocket that keeps a couple of cans cold for hours, and a mesh storage pouch that's perfect for phones, snacks, or a book. Number 2. ARROWHEAD Outdoor Portable Deluxe Folding Camp Quad Chair. Experience ultimate comfort and convenience with this portable chair. It's perfect for all your outdoor adventures, from camping to sporting events. Keep your essentials close at hand with the convenient armrest cooler. It can hold up to 6 cans and also features a handy storage pouch for your phone or other small items. Enjoy your favorite stemmed beverages outdoors with the integrated wine glass holder. It securely clips to your glass, ensuring it stays put. Prefer a cold can or bottle? The insulated cup holder keeps your drink at the perfect temperature. It's designed to fit a variety of beverage containers. Need extra space? The large mesh storage compartment on the back is ideal for keeping hats, sunglasses, snacks, and other items organized and easily accessible. Despite its robust construction and impressive 550 pounds weight capacity, this chair remains lightweight and portable, making it easy to take anywhere. What we like. This chair is designed for the discerning outdoor enthusiast who enjoys a bit of luxury. With a dedicated wine glass holder and an insulated cup holder, it keeps your beverages secure and at the right temperature. If you're hosting a picnic, attending a tailgate, or simply enjoying a glass of wine outdoors, this chair elevates the experience. What people say. The headrest was a big plus and really helped during the long wait. The chairs feel sturdy and durable. Perfect size for comfort and has great storage. Love the wine glass holder. It is generous bottle holders for my oversized coffee mugs. It is generous in size, and looks like it will last a while. Number 1. MAISON Arts Padded Zero Gravity Lawn Chair. Experience unparalleled comfort with our padded zero gravity chair. Its fully cushioned seat and back, along with an adjustable pillow, provide exceptional support for your head and lumbar. Designed for ultimate relaxation, this chair supports up to 350 pounds. It's perfect for camping, beach days, or simply unwinding by the pool. Easily adjust to your preferred angle, from upright to a near-flat zero-gravity position. The convenient lock system ensures your chosen angle stays in place. Enjoy your favorite beverages or snacks with the included cup tray. Everything you need for a relaxing break is right at your fingertips. No assembly required. This chair folds easily for transport and storage, making it your go-to companion for any outdoor adventure. Weighing just 18.3 pounds, its lightweight and foldable design makes it incredibly easy to take to the park, beach, or any outdoor event. What we like. If you value effortless adjustment and superior comfort, consider this option. Its lockable reclining system allows for easy angle changes, and the full padding ensures a cozy sit. If you're looking for a chair that's simple to use, comfortable for long periods, and perfect for poolside lounging or backyard relaxation, this is a great pick. What people say. Very comfortable. Only chair I found comfortable during my recovery. It is very comfortable and well made. Perfect for my 260-pound boyfriend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.